Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change the gamma in Dead by Daylight. So first what we want to do is we want to go over to options. Now here let's select graphics, and now we need to scroll a bit down until we see the video, and now here we will have the gamma. And here we can adjust the gamma until the leftmost side is barely visible. So for me it will be like 2 or 1.8, but I was going for 2.5. So it's all definitely up to you. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.